Hey guys, my name's Danielle and today I'm going to go ahead and share with you what's for dinner. This is going to be 4 nights, 4 different dinners, all keto friendly and all pretty easy to make. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's for dinner at my house, go ahead and stay tuned. So here is everything all plated up. That is 28 grams of that queso blanco cheese. That is a 2 tablespoons. So that is 1 carb. The queso cheese is 2 carbs, so 3 carbs. And the salsa, the little bit of tomato on the pork rinds. So that is what's for dinner. If you have a family who is not keto or does not like pork rinds, you can obviously do regular tortilla chips, or you can always opt out and make this like a taco meat. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is what's going to be for dinner tonight. Real easy. Today's Monday, so it's usually pretty hectic, you know, kids back to school and everything. And this is taco soup. I've made it before on the channel. Real easy, very keto friendly, and everybody loves it. So that's what's for dinner tonight. I'm starting on dinner for the night. Well, I've been cooking it, but we are going to have like chicken Alfredo. And I obviously am not going to eat the noodles. I do have noodles cooking. Those are for my kids. But me, Rhea, and Leo are going to have zucchini. Instead of using the spiralizer, because I felt like they became mushy for me, I actually take just the peeler and I make them in like these ribbon slices. Let me get like one dish. So they're like thicker. And I take a little bit of oil in my pan, a little extra virgin olive oil, and I just kind of fry them so they're soft and they give off some of their water. And that's it. And then I top them with some Alfredo sauce and chicken. Not always chicken, but today chicken. You could do like crumbled bacon if you wanted to and do like a carbonara. But there's my chicken. You guys see me make that before. So, but I just wanted to show you real quick before I plate everything up exactly how I cut these noodles. So they are like on the thicker side. So there you go. Okay, so here is dinner all plated up. Believe it or not, guys, that is a huge serving of Alfredo sauce, and that's only 61 grams. So that is 3 carbs. I don't count my carbs from my vegetables because I feel like if I started really paying attention to those, I would never eat vegetables. So obviously I'm just mindful of it. And then we have a chicken thigh on there. You guys have seen me make those before. And I topped it with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan. So that is dinner, and it is amazing. If you guys wanted to do a side salad or do some keto biscuits, even better. So here's what's for dinner tonight. We are going to be doing the Big Mac salad. I'm trying to get you guys some better lighting. So we just have some lettuce. This is 4 ounces of ground beef and about 1.5 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Some of these, oh snap, these are the spicy pickles. And that is the Big Mac sauce that I made myself. So basically in the Big Mac sauce is just 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup, no, like 3 or 4 tablespoons of the no sugar added ketchup, and a little sprinkle of white vinegar. And I added in some dill pickles. So this is what it all looks like plated up. If you guys are wondering, these are the pickles that I like to get. I always like to get these ones because you have to watch your pickles, because if they're in the brine, they will have some carbs in it. So that is dinner for tonight. So hopefully you guys liked what's for dinner. If you guys are interested in trying out any of these meals, go ahead, give it a shot. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. You know, I'm super active. I love, you know, when you guys are watching the videos and you comment and all those things. I really love interacting with everyone. What was I gonna tell you? So the dinners were all pretty easy, nothing too out of the ordinary. These are just random things that we have. Most of the dinners that we do have leftovers for, I do send with my husband for work the next day. So that's where you tend to see like extra in the pan. I like to send Leo with like dinner or lunch for work. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. It's something a little different. I've never done these what's for dinners before. I've seen them, I've seen people really enjoy them, but I thought, hey, you know, I haven't really seen anything like keto friendly. But yeah, but even if you're not keto, these are delicious. They're super duper good, and I would recommend them to anyone. But if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and we do a little bit of everything around here, and I would love for you guys to stick around and be a part of my YouTube family. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Sorry for another appearance of the hat, but you know, I got these like pigtail braids going, and I don't know. just trying something new. But all right guys, have a great day and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.